Welcome back, folks. Carl for TempIDs.com, your source for visitor labels, lanyards, and ID supplies. This video is a tutorial on the template on designing the expiring labels, the 10 up on a page, so that you go from this to this finished product. This is a printout from this design, so that when you're finished and you're actually using the labels, you're writing the information, you have the registry copy below when you write the information, and then after 8 hours it reads void to prevent reuse. So there's two ways, and it depends on what version of Word you have to get to designing and entering in the values. In Word, you go to Tools, click on Letters and Mailing, choose Envelopes and Labels, then Labels. This particular version of Word requires that we click on Mailings, then Labels, then select Options down here at the bottom, and then select New Option at the bottom. Then for label name, I called it 10 up expiring labels just so that it's easy to remember. The values that you put in here are very important. And one thing, depending on your version of Word, is some of these boxes might be grayed out so that you can't put any value in. What you want to do is select letter 8.5 by 11. I've noticed that in some versions it's preset to 11 by 8.5 so that the numbers are grayed out, but you definitely need to be in here to go ahead and enter in new values. So starting in this column, top margin, the value is 0.34, side margin is 1.03, vertical pitch is 2.16, horizontal pitch is 3.72. This column, label height 1.75, label width 2.69, number across is 2, number down is 5. And all of the values as far as margins and widths and pitch are all in inches, of course. After you enter this information, you click on OK. And then you select New Document. So when you get to this page, you'll see that you have 10 boxes, which represents these 10 boxes here. Then you just go ahead and design the label how you want, whether you want it to have visitor, like I have here, certainly a company logo, but you design everything in this box. Once you have it designed, you copy everything in this box and paste it to the next 9 boxes. Before you start designing your label, you want to keep in mind what laser printer you're using, whether it's a monochrome or a color laser printer. If it is a monochrome, you want to have everything in black ink, and certainly if it's color, then you want to use the color. The reason you don't want to use color and then print to a monochrome is that the contrast won't be there. And as an example, this design was done with color, and you can see that the contrast is not as sharp as this. This is printed from this design that you see here. After you finish designing your label and copying and pasting the design to the other 9 boxes, save your work and then go ahead and print a test page to a regular sheet of paper. We suggest using the side tray and printing from there. I went ahead and marked it with left so that I know that it was facing up, and this is the upper left-hand corner on the page, so that if it prints that way, I know to feed the label sheets that manner. If not, you make accommodations from there. But printing the test page will confirm whether you have the label settings right for your printer or if you have to make minor adjustments without wasting any label sheets. And then I would certainly go ahead and print up just one after everything is correct to make sure that everything fits properly, and then holding it up to the light. To order the self-expiring label sheets, go to store.tempids.com or call us toll-free 888-894-4591. Until next time, thanks for watching.